Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can see wrapped up Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. First of all, open up your Spotify application on your mobile device and log into your account. After logging in, the interface will be something like this. Here you can see that there is no wrapped up Spotify theme going on right now. It is used to show up somewhere under here, but now it's hidden. So what you need to do is open up any of your browser and search for spotify.com/us/wrap. This will take some time to load, and after loading complete, you will see the wrapped up Spotify playlist like this. You can also open it up in your app by clicking on the Open App button at the top right corner. After clicking on it, the application will open up. The whole playlist comprises of top tracks of 2022, and this is the only way to access them. They were published for a limited time and many people missed it. You can just access it by going to the provided link, and that's how you can see wrapped up Spotify. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.